Hey, today I received my first HelloFresh kit. It's a meal kit. I'm sure you've seen all these commercials on TV. There's a lot of meal services now competing against each other. And I just happened to purchase some concert tickets online, and somehow I qualified to get 50% off my first 2 weeks of meal kits. So I figured, why not? That sounds like a pretty good savings. So inside this box, for anybody who's skeptical about receiving food in the mail, there's two very big, giant dry ice packages that are sandwiched in between the stack of meals that are inserted in this box. So I just want you to know that it's extremely cold, and they keep it closed up and sealed up. So everything is like basically a traveling cooler. And this is what came into my particular box. I'm getting 3 meals, 50% off. So here we have the lemon dill lobster ravioli and shrimp. It comes with a meal card, which is illustrated nicely in color on a very nice piece of paper. And here is the recipe. And it came, I'll turn this over so you can see the picture again. It came with shrimp and ravioli. And it says, this ravioli, I believe, has some kind of cheese inside, but I can't clarify that till I cook it. Okay, and here it's Tex-Mex cheese stuffed burgers. It comes with its recipe card. Very colorful. Tells you the ingredients at the bottom that are going to be in the meal, I guess, in case you want to leave one out if you're sensitive to it or allergic to it. And then on the back, it shows you the instructions. It shows you the ingredients, even what kind of pans and bowls and kitchen utensils you're going to need. And it comes with the ground beef right here. And I'm not sure what's in the bag, but we're going to find out. And right here is pan-seared sirloin and savory demi-glace sauce. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it says with Brussels sprouts and amandine and mashed sweet potatoes. On the back, there's a nice recipe card with the same thing. It tells you the tools you'll need in the kitchen, ingredients, and that came with sirloin steak. And it also came with this bag too. So just as an example, let's open up this bag and see what's in this bag. Oh, I'm impressed. Look, everybody. Brussels sprouts. Here's the glaze. Chives. Sour cream. Sweet potato. A lemon. Another sweet potato, and sliced almonds. This is an entire recipe right here, already pre-measured, pre-packaged, ready to go. I find that very impressive. And it's all in the same bag. Pretty cool. Let's open another bag. This one I'm opening up is the Tex-Mex cheeseburger bag. And lo and behold, I have the buns. As you can see in the picture, they sent the buns. We've got cilantro. Oh boy. Oh, potatoes for your potato wedges. A tomato. Parmesan cheese. Oh no, that's Monterey Jack cheese, excuse me. Sour cream, 2 things of sour cream for your burger. And we have Southwest Spicy Blend Warm and Smoky sauce. Another potato. And we also have Mexican hot sauce. So there's those ingredients. All right, and last but not least, let's open up our third meal. I haven't looked at this stuff, so you're getting a big surprise just like me. This is farm-grown dill. Then I have a lemon. And then I have a cucumber. And what else? I have sour cream. And one more item. I have veggie. Now, one thing I was thinking of, since these did come in their own bags and these were refrigerated ingredients, I will just stick them right back in the bag and store them until I'm ready. That's kind of what makes it convenient too, that they're already pre-packaged, so it helps you as far as storage in the refrigerator to keep all this stuff separate so you don't have to pull it apart when it comes time to cook the meals. Also in the kit, it says, welcome to the Fresh Fam. And they're letting you know that they have an app and trying to tell you that you can switch your meals around. I had the option before this order was placed to choose other meals, but I just decided to go with what they suggested, and I decided, you know, if I didn't like the meals, I wouldn't pick them another time and I'd pick something different. But I did see on the website they have a lot of variety. And you can choose by the highest rated recipes. You can choose gourmet, kid approved, 20-minute meals, quick meals, lots of options. Then you get this 50% off discount card if you try their new program called Wine Box. I'm not really familiar yet because I'm a brand new customer, but that could be another video possibly. But I don't know if I drink wine that often enough, but perhaps I can do another video in the future. And then we have here an advertisement for Healthy Home Essentials for people who like healthy home conscious products. I've never really been into these types of products, but I'll certainly read the material and consider it in the future. And that's about it. I just want to say this is my first order. It's 3 meals, which is a good start. You know, you don't want to be too overwhelmed, but just in case you are interested in finding more information about what HelloFresh offers, this is basically what happens. It comes already pre-packaged with the recipes, just like the commercials say. And that's about it. If anybody has any questions, please leave comments. And please like my video if you thought that this was informative and taught you anything. Thank you and have a good day.